Okay, so what we've got here, sorry, get that down there. So this is the data that you put in today or yesterday, and then these were your data points, and then we had to move this red curve, the light curve, to match. So remember moving this, so if that was 17, if I do it as 10, it moved that way. If I do it as 40, it's going to move that way. And this one here was your up and down value, so it's 29. So if I do 40 now, it goes down. If I do 35, there you go. And if I do 10 off the scale, so maybe I'll do 26, there we go. So this is our up and down movement. This is our left-right movement. Radio. So what we've got now is we didn't touch this one here because you gathered all of this information for the photograph. What solar siblings have done, if we have a look here, they've created data files for a whole heap of supernova that have happened. So obviously this happened in 2007, and KH is its name. So 2007, few in 2008, 2009, 2010. So we've got a few, and then this one down here as well. So we've got quite a few data on quite a few supernovas. So if you get a file, okay, so this is all the data that we've got. Now, if we open up, not that one, so we do want that same graph, but we need all of this blank. Okay, so we need that blank, and then we're going to come over. I'm just going to sit this up there, but we've got this manual entry side, which is these pink ones here. So we've got our light curve there, and what we want to do is we want to put these ones in here. So I highlight them, copy them, and then I paste them directly into here. Then I need to take this one, because this is the first one. So I need to take this value here, I copy it and put it into there. So now, if you look over here, I've got my dots. Now, can you see that they're way down there? So I can move this. Okay, this is one of the trickier ones, but I can actually, oops, what's it doing? I can actually change the scale on this, and where is it? Let me see. So this one. Access options. There we go. So if I put that as a maximum of 25, let's see what happens. There we go. So now I've got those. Sorry. Now I can see all my dots. So now I can move this down. So I want to move that across a little bit. I want to move it down. So if I put it to 36, where does it go? It's getting closer. 37. Okay, now will I move it across a little bit? Let's see. 4. Yeah, might move it down a little bit. 30, what's that, 37? 38. Oh, probably too low. 37.5. Closer, that's pretty close. Those ones there, so I probably need to move it back to 2. Ooh, 1. That's pretty close. Okay, so now I come down to this one here. So I've got my parsecs, so I know it's 316. So what do I want? I want to call it, it's not a fake, what's its name? So if I go up to here, so see how I've just got that one there, the original one. I'll just put that there. So I know its name is 2007 kH. So I'll put in here 2007 kH. My distance, and that's what I worked out up here, was 316.23. So let's just put 316. I can put the 0.23 if I want. Error is always going to be 10. Now this velocity. So what they've done is they've actually given us some data and they've put it into its title. So this V and this number here is the velocity that they believe that this galaxy is travelling at, 14850. And 1,000 stays there. That's what they're saying the error is. So as we've put that into here, we get a data point now. Okay, so that's our data point. As we put more light curves in, this is going to change. And it all depends on how you adjust these and how well you match your light curve. So if we just quickly do another one, so I don't want that one now. And I go back to here. And if I choose this one now, open him up. Okay, I'm going to, let's see how much information. So I've got a fair few data points on this fella. So if I click from there to there, copy. Now I need to get rid of all of those. So I delete them. Put my, oops, hang on, sorry. Copy them again. Highlight that, press paste. So now it's got them there. Take that first one, copy, plug him in there, and now I get my curve. So what am I going to do? I might lift him up a little bit. So 36, 36.5. Look at that. That's pretty good. So I reckon we'll leave it there. So now I go to here, go down there. What's the name of my supernova? And that's up here, 2007 kk. 7 kk. What was the distance? Well, I worked out the distance up here. So 199.53. 199.53. The error is going to be 10. My velocity, where do I get my velocity? From the title up here, 12180. 12180. Is that right? 12180. Yep. And then my 1,000 goes over here. So now if I go across here, I've got 2 points. Okay, and then this value here has changed, and this becomes my Hubble constant. So you can just keep going until you get a few of these done, and you'll end up getting this value here, which hopefully will tell us how old the universe is. Okay, so I'll let you carry on and do those. Cheers.